Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. So today I want to prune this purple fountain grass. It is their blooming season, but they look kind of rough. They're falling off. So I want to prune them back, hoping that will rejuvenate them so they can start growing again the rest of the fall season. So this is how they look right now. So I'll cut them back, remove this vinca. I have this vinca minor. It's a trailing vinca. It didn't really do, it sort of hangs like this. And what ended up happening was the vinca attached to the ground, and because I have stones over here, I don't want things to grow in the stones. So I think I'll go ahead and uproot this vinca as well. And I'll just keep it clean. In the spring, I'll decide what I'll plant underneath the fountain grass. But let's get started. Okay. I'll be using either the bypass pruner or the viscous grass shearer. Okay. So pulling all the dead grass out. I'm loosening the soil because I'm going to fertilize it. And I'll just use Imperial Lawn Fertilizer. I think it's a 1550 or 15, it's the fall version. the orange one. That's enough. Okay. It's pretty rough, but in a few weeks it will start growing again. Okay, that one is done. On to the next one. So the pruned grass, I'll put this in the compost. It's not diseased or anything, so it's perfectly fine to compost this. And it's perfect timing because the rain has started. So if you can hear my other dog barking, it's because I had to put her inside. I did put some fertilizer earlier today, some organic fertilizer, and she likes licking it. So she's been put in the house while the older dog is sitting here in the swing next to me. Okay, that one is done too. On to the next one. Okay, so now I've finished pruning all 4 planters, and I'm watering the planters very deeply. So I'm watering until the water runs out underneath the planters. So that should ensure that the roots are really deeply watered. And that should be enough. So now let's take a look and see how the fountain grass looks like. It's pretty rough, If you can see from the pruning, it's really severe pruning. This one is a little bit better. You see, it already had some new growth that was coming through. So in a few days, in a few weeks, they will all look much better. And I'll come back and show you how they look like. I'll give you an update how they look like. And that's pretty much it for today. So I think we'll stop here, and I'll come back and show you how the fountain grass looks like once they start growing. That's it for today. Okay, I'm back. So it's been 1 week since I pruned the fountain grass. So this is how it's looking like 1 week in. We have new growth, and that growth has already started turning. You can see the color is turning already. So that's the first one. The second one has more growth. You can see. The third one is looking good, and the fourth one as well. So I think they're all looking good. I'm sure in another week or two there'll be more growth, but this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch up next time. Thank you.